Hey YouTube, it's Mike. 50 caliber Seneca against this piece of shit water heater. Full power. Yes, this is an air gun, YouTube. Alright. We're gonna go for direct center. Can you see that? Oh yeah. Boom. Fuck that motherfucker. Fuck it twice if you have to. And joke them if they can't take a fuck. You know that little saying? Fuck them if they can't take a joke. Well, fuck them if they... Joke them if they can't take a fuck. Alright, here we go. We're doing it again. Oh yeah, same hole. That's what I call a hole in one. Damn it. Can't get in my pocket fast enough. It's so loud though. This gun is really loud for an air gun. Same hole. I wonder how many rounds it would take to get through that son of a bitch. Do you see where I'm hitting? I don't know. You should be able to see that. My little pocket here. I mean, I'm shooting an air gun. It's not going through. But what are they gonna do? We're out in the country. I could be shooting a real gun, and it'd still be legal. So who gives a shit? Fuck them. I'm still hitting the same hole. It's just really loud. That's all. But who gives a shit? I don't know. That's just me.